Disclosure in financial statements. Now, as I said earlier, what is the meaning of disclosure in financial statements? As I said in the very beginning, we have to understand everything practically, and when we have to understand everything practically, a question that should come to your mind is what are the disclosures which I am required to make in the financial statements? And if I tell you, friends, all put together, there are 39 Indian accounting standards. All those 39 Indian accounting standards have got huge list of the disclosures which are required to be made in the financial statements by a company to which Indian accounting standards have become mandatory. Now, to remember all that is going to be challenged. In any case, you have to comply with that requirement when you are making the financial statements of the company. But what you and I need to do, you and I need to understand the guiding principle. So what is the guiding principle? As I said in the beginning, and I'm repeating it once again for emphasizing, the guiding principle is, why do we make the financial statements? We make the financial statements so that the user of these financial statements is able to arrive at a well-informed economic decision based on the information given in these financial statements. And therefore, what should we disclose? We disclose every information which is required by the user for arriving at the well-informed economic decision. So friends, this is the guiding principle. So anyone who is responsible for the preparation of the financial statements of a company, that is what he needs to remember. Any information which may be required or will be required by user of the financial statement so as to arrive at a well-informed economic decision from those financial statements, that information has to be disclosed. Now, in this session, what I'm going to share with you, friends, all put together, there are 39 accounting standards. So, Indian accounting standards. So, and when I categorize them under the presentation and disclosure, I would say there are 15 different indices. Under the balance sheet and the profit and loss, there are 18 different indices, and under the consolidation, there are 6 different indices. So all put together, there are 39 Indian accounting standards which need to be complied with by any company to which Indian accounting standards have become mandatory. And today, friends, for all the listed and limited companies having a net worth of more than 250 crores, indices have become mandatory. And not only, and please remember, it's not that only an entity whose net worth is more than 250 crores, which is a limited entity, may not be listed. Even if it is limited, the index has become mandatory. And not only, and in any case, whenever index become mandatory to an entity, then all the subsidiaries, joint ventures, and associates of such the holding company to all such entities also, index become mandatory, and that is what we need to remember. And under all these 39 indices, there are a lot of disclosures which need to be taken care of. In any case, I'm going to share this PPT with you because I'm not able to share it to you on the screen, so you will know as to what these accounting standards are, 39 accounting standards are. Now friends, at this point in time, as a practicing registered valuer, I would also like to mention that though for the purpose of exam, you only need to study 4 of the Indian indices, but as far as practice as a registered valuer is concerned, I would suggest that you also try and get a good strong hold on all these 39 accounting standards, because 19 of them would require fair value measurement. So there are 19 Indian indices that would require fair value measurement, and since they would require fair value measurement, that means you and I as registered valuer become important, because we have a role to do the valuation. So I would be sharing this in any case with you, so you would know as to what those 19 accounting standards are, which would require fair value measurement. And I'm sure once you have it, you can spend some more time. Right. So any question, friends, on this?